I'm Khurram Sheikh, founder, chairman, and CEO of CXAI, pronounced Sky. Before I talk about where Sky is going, let me share a little bit about where this all started. I'm based here in Silicon Valley, and my career has always been anchored in technology transformation, from advanced communications to enterprise platforms to AI systems, building products that scale globally and reshape how people live, work, and play. Over the years, I've been fortunate to be at the center of multiple industry shifts: mobile broadband, cloud, IoT, spatial intelligence, and now agentic AI. A few years ago, I formed KINS, which stands for Knowledge, Innovation, Networks, and Scale. The idea behind KINS was very simple: create a new model for building public company platforms that could take emerging, high impact technologies and bring them to market faster with stronger execution and real global scale. KINS wasn't just an investment philosophy, it was a blueprint for how the next wave of enterprise platforms would be built. Sky is the first major realization of that vision. When we launched Sky, we were intentional about one thing. We didn't want to build just another workplace app or point solution. We wanted to build an AI native, experience driven platform capable of transforming how enterprises connect people, places, data, and workflows, all in real time. And today, that vision is real. Sky is a NASDAQ listed company headquartered in the San Francisco Bay Area. We filed 37 patents with 18 granted. We're deployed in 200 plus cities across 50 plus countries in 5 continents, supporting more than 1 million users. We built a world-class team, over 70% R&D. We operate globally out of the San Francisco Bay Area, Toronto, and Manila, meeting the highest standards of security and compliance. This global footprint and deep innovation engine give us the scale, credibility, and capability to lead the shift toward unified workplace platforms and to power the future with agentic AI. Everything we built, our platform, our spatial intelligence engine, or agentic AI, all stem from that original KINS vision to build category-defining companies that lead technological transformation at scale. And Sky is just the beginning. So let me talk about how our platform actually works under the hood. The Sky platform is AI native, mobile first, and cloud first, built to scale across global enterprises and across every major cloud, whether it's Google Cloud, GCP, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. But everything we do is anchored on one goal: delivering world-class employee experiences. We bring this to life through 3 tightly integrated layers. Layer 1 is what we call CXI or Sky apps, the experience layer. These are our multi-OS mobile and web applications that employees and visitors use every day to reserve spaces, navigate campuses, access services, and engage with the workplace. This is where our personalization and agentic AI show up most visibly. And these are not simple UI shells. They're fully integrated clients that consume our APIs for real-time availability, mapping and spatial services, identity and access management, workflow assignments, notifications, and agentic AI actions. We've built the apps to support deep personalization. The AI can dynamically shape the UI, the recommended actions, and the workspace suggestions based on behavioral signals. Layer 2 is Sky BTS for behind the scenes, our rules and automation engine. This is the brain of the platform. BTS handles policy, workflows, and business logic, orchestrating complex reservations, access rules, approvals, maintenance scheduling, and more. This is also where our next-gen agentic AI is expanding rapidly, automating tasks that previously required human intervention. BTS is the core of the platform, essentially our orchestration engine. It manages complex booking logic, resource allocation, conditional workflows, policy enforcement, multi-step maintenance routing, cross-system integrations. This is where our agentic AI layer is evolving the fastest. Instead of waiting for user input, BTS can now trigger autonomous actions, booking a desk based on your schedule, routing a work order to the right vendor, or optimizing space plans based on predicted demand. We designed BTS as a plug-in architecture so we can add new AI agents, new rule modules, and new connectors without touching core code. And last but not least, our third layer is Sky View, our analytics and spatial intelligence engine. View turns real-time utilization, occupancy, and behavioral data into actionable insights. It drives optimization, everything from portfolio decisions to cleaning schedules to predictive maintenance. These three layers work on as a unified platform. They talk to each other natively and they scale globally across the major clouds. This unified architecture is what allows us to deliver automation, cost efficiency, and dramatically better day-to-day experiences. And from View, it's really your real-time data and visualization layer. It ingests utilization signals from IoT devices, sensors, Wi-Fi, access control in our apps, normalizing that into unified spatial graph for the workplace. From there, View powers predictive space planning, occupancy heat maps, traffic flow intelligence, anomaly detection, portfolio level optimization. View feeds insights back into BTS so the system can act autonomously. This is the closed loop model that competitors can't match. The real magic is that these three layers, apps, BTS, and View, are not stitched together. They're part of a unified platform with the shared identity, shared data models, and a shared AI engine. That's why we can deliver automation that spans across the entire workplace stack, from the mobile UI all the way to back-end systems and physical infrastructure. That's the magic of Sky, the magic of integrating apps, BTS, and View.